Good morning, guys. As I sit here editing this video, I take a few minutes just to sit back, relax, and enjoy the birds and the warm weather that is coming in. It's such a peaceful place to sit and unwind. It's been a crazy few weeks. I hurt my back pretty bad pouring some concrete. So let's get into this. First off, I want to show you what I've done. This is the pile of manure that has been aging for 2 years, and a local farmer gave it to me for free. Let's jump over to the greenhouse and have a look at the changes I made that everybody suggested. First, which way the door swings. It now swings out. Now let's jump around the back and show you the modifications that I made to this window. So let's pull the pins each side and pull it down. Aha, it stops. It doesn't have to come out. I added a few screws and a string, and there you have it. This will be a little easier to control the temperature inside, and I really do appreciate everybody suggesting this. Okay, let's jump around and jump inside and have a look what I've been up to. So as you can see, I have a nice little bench on the piece that I milled. That's the tomato plant. It is doing well. And have a look up here, guys. I made some hanging baskets as everybody suggested. These are the strawberry plants and they are thriving. And yes, they are milk jugs. I really do appreciate this idea. It is working well, and I have a couple extra below. So this is how I test the moisture in the soil. And there's a coffee. I like to jump in here in the evenings. And I planted some carrots, 2 different types. So we're gonna see which one grows the best. They are planted along right through here, basically taking up about 3/4 of this bed. Okay, let's jump over to the other side, grab a little bit of water, and I will show you how I do it until I get my new container. As you can see, I pour it in, but I have holes in the bottom so the moisture doesn't stay and drown the plants. This is an awesome idea, guys. Saves space, and the water is being recycled down to the other plants below. Awesome tip, I really do appreciate it. So while we're at it, we'll give the carrots a little drink as well. They were planted yesterday and they are looking a little bit dry. I keep this pail of water inside, and it is very similar to the air temperature that is in here, so it doesn't shock the plants. We are still hitting pretty frosty evenings down to about -7 Celsius. Okay, here are some of the packages I still have left to plant. Also over here, that is the tomato plant, and I also picked up this raspberry cane. Looking forward to getting that planted, and of course, Sophie, never too far away. So we're gonna sit here, enjoy our coffee, and just relax and let our back heal a little bit. I would also like to thank all the new subscribers and all the old subscribers. Everybody who has been following along this journey with me. We have some pretty exciting times coming up. We're going to be building cabins, garages, and I'm really looking forward to having you guys come along with me. Any tips and tricks you can share for the greenhouse that you can see that may improve, please do so. I've also added a whole bunch of pictures and videos at the end of this video that I've taken over the last few months. I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next week.